Hello there, and welcome to Mrs. English. I'm so happy you're here. Are you just starting your English learning journey? Or maybe you want to refresh the basics in a fun way? Here on this channel, I'll guide you through simple, clear, and practical English, step by step. All of our videos are based on the global scale of English, so you'll always know your progress and level. Each lesson is short, just 3 to 4 minutes, and full of real examples you can use every day. You'll meet my friends too, like Mr. Grammar, Little Vocab and more. So don't worry, we'll learn together at your pace with lots of smiles. Ready to begin? Subscribe and let's learn English the easy way. Speak simply, speak clearly, speak English with me.